Just having a look at our GMT800 2003 GMC Yukon Denali. Got a few paint issues on the driver's side here. Clear coat is dying or gone. Completely gone here. But this is what I want to look at today because it's growing on me. And so we are going to try out some rust converter. Comment down below if you've used it before or have some opinions on it. But we're going to give it a try because I want to stop it in its tracks. There's like one other little spot, and other than that, not too bad for rust. So I just want to get on top of this one now. So we're going to give it a shot right now. Alright, I'm just going to apply this liberally, trying not to get the unpainted parts too much. Wipe it off a little bit after, because I'm obviously hitting some of the painted parts. But we'll apply liberally. And then we'll let that dry for about half an hour and have a look at it and see if we need to reapply and see how she goes. Well, we are 24 hours later, and I think we've probably just made it worse. What do you think? Certainly not any better. So that did not go as designed. I wasn't expecting miracles, but you know, I thought it was supposed to turn black, and my car is black, so I thought it might look a little bit better while potentially stopping the rust. And I don't think that's the case anymore, guys. Did not go as designed. Back to the drawing board on that one. I would not recommend this product, I think.